Hi everybody, I am with Miss Maggie, and she's a little camera shy. She doesn't want to be on here, but she is our artist who designed this herself. This is for her brother, a t-shirt for her brother. Now you can't see it, but underneath this paper, can I lift this up a second to show Maggie? Underneath here, there's a sheet of paper, and that has her original design on it, that she did it with pencil on a paper and then stuck it under her t-shirt, which is super clever because that way then she was able to put this on nice. And now what we did here is she mixed up this lovely perfect shade of orange, oh my goodness, which we're almost out of. Might have just enough to squeak out, but we did the mixing up with the silk paints. They are fantastic for on t-shirts too. We're experimenting here. I was experimenting with some tie-dye styling with this stuff. Normally when you do tie-dyes, Maggie, you need to let them soak overnight for 24 hours in the dye, and they're really heavy. These we did, I called it a rose roll that we did on here. Sprayed it, and it really looks pretty. Now this one, we did this to experiment to get our colors right from here. This is our test patch, but it looks really pretty too. And you can see that we're doing all of this on a table. It's pretty neat and tidy, wouldn't you say, Maggie? Yep, she nodded her head yes. So she's still deciding what she's gonna do with this right now. She's just working the color in. Is it doing that? Was that little bleed from there? Did you go up, just bled from the water? Okay. We were gonna mask it off, but we're really experimenting. We're doing some cool experimenting with stuff. So far we're loving it. Maggie, you give it a thumbs up? Thumbs up, yes, it's awesome. Okay, everybody have some fun. This even though it says soap paints on them, ignore that. These things are so versatile. They work great on cotton. Now I don't know about synthetic material, but I'm getting ready. We're gonna paint this. I have some more doodling on to do, and we have a whole little stack of our art and things going here. This was silk that I did this last night and then came back in today with some black on it, and I'm really happy with how that looks. Are you happy with how it looks, Maggie? Yeah, she's shaking her head yes. And if you get this silk kit, it's really cool. The brush, are you using the Marabu brush, Maggie? Yeah, the brush that comes with it, the tip on it is so versatile. You can do really fine detail with it, or you can do big, color splotches too. It's awesome. Highly recommend this stuff. We're gonna keep painting.